Welcome to our educational series, where today we dive into the exciting world of PUBG Battlegrounds. As of October 2023, PUBG Battlegrounds remains a captivating multiplayer battle royale game originally developed by PUBG Corporation, now under Krafton. Released in 2017, it set new standards for the battle royale genre with its realistic gameplay and strategic depth. PUBG, short for PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, invites up to 100 players to compete in a last-person standing match. Players drop onto a vast, isolated map with minimal equipment and must scavenge for weapons, armor, and supplies. The objective? Survive by eliminating others while staying within an ever-shrinking safe zone, adding pressure and intensity to gameplay. Currently, PUBG features a variety of maps, each offering unique landscapes and tactical challenges. From the desert of Miramar to the tropical Sanhok and the snowy Vikendi, each requires different strategies and provides varied experiences. The maps are continually updated, ensuring gameplay stays fresh and engaging. PUBG is renowned for its realistic ballistics, physics, and extensive weapon arsenal, comprising assault rifles, snipers, and melee weapons, each requiring practice and precision. Vehicles, ranging from motorcycles to armored trucks, also play a crucial role, aiding in rapid movement across the map or being used strategically in combat. The game offers several modes, including solo, duo, and squad, encouraging players to adapt strategies based on team dynamics and communication. PUBG also features seasonal updates, adding new content, balance changes, and events to keep players engaged. Its impact on the gaming world is significant, having inspired many other games in the battle royale genre while fostering a global community. The competitive scene boasts numerous tournaments and esports events, with players and teams from around the world showcasing their skills. In conclusion, PUBG Battlegrounds offers a blend of strategy, skill, and immersive action that continues to captivate players worldwide. Whether you're a veteran or new to the battlefield, there's always something new to learn and explore. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.